Yeah, we had some rain in spots yesterday. We had some pretty heavy storms in the southern tier, especially Allegheny County. Had the flash flood warning, had the flood advisory there. But then even here in North Buffalo and Kenmore, there was about a 3-block wide little shower that just downpoured on everybody. And you could probably still see some sunshine while it was downpouring. It was quite a little sight. It couldn't have been more than a few blocks wide and quickly moved out. And it was so small on radar, you actually had to zoom all the way in to even see it show up. I was hanging out here watching the storms in Allegheny County, and I go up into the newsroom and I see it's raining. I said, where's that coming from? So it was a very, very small little cell that moved through. Now, right now in Amherst, you can see some sunshine, the cloud cover starting to clear up, but as Anthony mentioned, it is pretty muggy out there. We are dealing with a lot of humidity, and you can see some of that moisture on forewarned Doppler, especially in southern Ontario here along Lake Erie, in Wyoming County as well. There's some of that. But we do have the fog advisory for McKean and Potter County in Pennsylvania, and that's going to go until 11. So if you're in the valleys, if you're in the southern tier, probably dealing with a lot of fog this morning. It's pretty thick. The moisture is pretty high as the humidity is around 90%. Now, here's the rainfall we're talking about. Now, northern Allegheny County got smacked pretty good, and that was the area that had the severe storm, which possibly gave some really gusty winds and some hail. On top of that, there was the flash flood warning and the flood advisory. So with the rain that we're expecting for tomorrow, it's not out of the realm of possibility that we could see more flooding in those areas, because we saw it over the past 2 weekends with the downpours. Temperatures right now, we've got 65 in Williamsville, 62 in Lancaster, 66 Hamburg, and then 64 over near the lake there. So it's actually cooler by the lake, but the harbor is still on the warm side at around 70 degrees. So that boundary that we had yesterday, that cleared on up, and now we have a high pressure system that's in place. But this is the cold front. It's a pretty strong cold front, and this is going to move on through. And when it does, it's going to bring us a lot of rain, some storms for tomorrow, and they could be on the strong side. And then on top of that, come after tomorrow, it looks like it's actually going to drop those temperatures for a couple of days. So here is a take a look at super microcast. We're going to have a slight chance to see a few sprinkles for today. I don't think we'll see a lot of rain, possibly even less than yesterday. So look for mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with just a slight chance to see a little shower. And then it looks like the rain chances are going to increase for tonight. Could see some scattered rain before the cold front really makes its way in. Here comes the scattered showers and storms. This is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., and it looks like this cold front is going to move on through. And with these heavy downpours, you can't rule out the possibility of some small creek and stream flooding. We really do have to watch out for that tomorrow because we've seen it over the past 2 weekends. Could see some flood advisories again. And if we do see any flooding, you want to stay away from any ponding on the roadways and also any small creeks and streams that are on the high side that are running quickly. So here's your marine forecast: 76 Lake Erie, 71 Lake Ontario. Today, we're going to see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be on the warm side. Slight chance of an isolated shower. And then it looks like for tonight, we'll see the increased cloud cover. The rain will start to make its way in. We'll see some spotty showers for tonight, heavier rain for tomorrow. And Anthony, as I mentioned, not only is that cold front going to bring lots of rain, but it really cools us off. Monday, 73 degrees. Tuesday, we start to warm back up. We'll clear up. Rain chances do return for Thursday, but those could just be on the spotty side.
Okay, so a little bit of still a mixed bag that we've been kind of seeing.
We're going to be warm today. It should be pretty nice. We'll see the rain tomorrow, then we cool off, then we warm back up. So we're going to be a little bit of a yo-yo here. All right.